Today we're going to be looking at the main one-handed cuts that you need to know as a magician. Let's get started. So today I'll be using the play cards, and let's get into this. Make sure that if you ever want to see me review decks, I'm probably not going to be doing many reviews here on the channel, but I will be doing them on my Instagram, which is at cardperfect_magician, or you can just click on the link in the description, so make sure to go and follow me there. Now the first one of the one-handed cuts is this one right here. It is the Charlier cut, not Charlier, because it is a French word. So it is Charlier, even though there is an R at the end of it. So you're going to start off in a mechanics grip. If you don't know what the different grips are, you can check out that link right there. But you're going to start off in this mechanics grip. You're going to take your thumb. You can either riffle down or just push off. Take about half the deck right here. So let's just say you riffled down. You're going to push your thumb in there and lift up about half of the deck. So you're still in this mechanics grip here. You're then going to take your index finger and put it underneath this bottom packet, right where that number would be. And you're going to lift up that bottom packet. So it's here, you're going to lift up that bottom packet all the way until it clears the top packet. So this was the bottom, and now it just cleared that top one. So this is the grip you should be in. You're then going to lower the top packet with your index finger. And it's going to lower it like this. So it was here. You're going to lower it down, and then you close it down by pushing your thumb over the top. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, and then hit that thumbs up button on this video if you do happen to like it. So the second one-handed cut we'll be looking at is the scissor cut. So the scissor cut looks like that. It definitely is a much more flourishy cut because it definitely is bigger. This one stays about right here. And the scissor cut is a much wider cut. You do not need large hands for either of these. You can't really have small hands, but I'm really excluding things like the thumb cut and the revolution cut because you do need large hands for those, and I can barely palm a card. So, let's get into the scissor cut. You're going to start off in a straddle grip. Looks like this. And come over. You can riffle down or just pick up half the packet. On the bottom left corner of this packet. And you're going to pivot that around your index finger until it just clears. So you're here. Pick up half the packet. Rotate it around your index finger until that clears the top left packet. Then you're going to bring your thumb back down and then push your thumb and let it square up the deck. Just like that. So it's out here and then square up. Now just a few pointers on these. Make sure that you are not only just doing this with one hand. I'm definitely much better with my left hand on this, but I can still partially do this with my right hand too. It just is not as smooth. But make sure that you can do all of these moves with both hands. It will definitely improve your cardistry and help to improve just your overall smoothness when you have a deck of cards. Now, if you want to know more two-handed cuts, like if you want to know swing cut, or swivel, or rotation cut, or anything like this, please make sure to check out that link right there, so you can learn some of the basic two-handed cuts you need to know to be a magician. Were there any one-handed cuts that you thought I missed? If so, drop that down in the comments. If you want to know some of the main two-handed cuts you need to know, click that right there. And if you want to subscribe, click that right there. Thank you guys for watching. This is Card Perfect, signing off.